The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
So this is Sunday, May 23rd, 3:17 p.m. I am a citizen of Clarendon, Jamaica, West Indies. I am crying out at this point, being fearful for my life from the Maypen police and from my neighbors who have been a nuisance. When I say a nuisance, Maypen police have always been taking the neighbor's side, terrorizing my home. Police come in my home, break up or mash up in Jamaican terminology, smash my daughter's cell phone, smash my center table in my living room and whatever, and hit my daughter, lick her down, pitch her on the floor. Nothing came out of that. I was at the station today trying to make a report upon some stone throwing that was done this morning by my neighbors. I came out early, 6:48. I was sweeping my yard, and the neighbors started throwing stones at me, hailing stones over my fence. I had to run for my life Friday night. There was an incident in Maypen, Clarendon, where I sent my daughter to shop. And upon shopping, one of the daughters of the next door neighbor attacked my daughter in the store. She is along with a policeman in the Maypen station. Several times I've seen the highway patrol car sleeping at the neighbor's house. Several times I've seen this young lady with the police have been taken inside. The Maypen police is corrupt. Somebody in authority needs to look into this. The next door neighbors have always have gunmen coming over there. They have always been stoning my house. And every time they go and pick trouble, they come back and behave like we are the ones making trouble. I am a businesswoman. I have business to do. I don't go around troubling people. Since I've been ill, I am home and I cannot send my children to shop in peace. I cannot drive on the way in peace. I was running, jogging one morning when the next door neighbor hit me with his car. And after him hit me with his car, he lay-waited me when I reached up in the lane where we both reside. He was stoning me. How long will these people get away with what they are doing? I am sick and I am tired. My God, I just had a heart attack since April. I was in the hospital, one of the Clarendon hospital. I need help. I need people to know what is happening. I wish I could disclose even my district. I have neighbors who are cutting off goat head and goat neck and fowl neck, drinking blood, chopping chopper that they used to chop up meat. And 12 o'clock at night, they making noise, they lighting rubbish. They call out our name.
Whoa. Alright, my beautiful people, Dancehall Skilla is here again. Big up and respect to each and every one, you see it? Alright, don't go away because I have more from this female explaining some things that she said happened. I just presented to your videos that shows the female, and I'm going to put together and present to your audios that are from this female explaining some more things that she said happened. She contacted me, Dancehall Skilla, and said that she's living in fear, and she said that she wants people to know what's going on, or she wants people to know about some things that happened. You see? So what I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to do, I want you to share this video as much as you can. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. So if there's any follow-up to this story, you will be notified. Alright? Now here are the pieces of audios. Take a listen and observe.
I am a heart patient, I am hypertensive, and I am an asthma patient. And I've been terrorized by neighbors over and over again for the past 7 years. They have moved to live next door to me. And my children have been traumatized. My house is being stoned. Always. I was at another place across and I moved. And as I moved, my house is being stoned. I have to be in and out of the hospital. And not just that, the police are so corrupted. Police have been sleeping with one of the next door neighbor's daughter. I can even give you the number and plate of the service vehicle that mark highway patrol. And this girl has been given trouble. This whole entire family is problem and troublemaker. But I need people to know that I am in no peace. And the disrespect that I get when I go to the station, the Maypen police station to be exact. When I go to that police station, I am treated like a dog. When police come to my house, they come with guns out. And I have children in my home. I have a 14-year-old child. And every time police come, police have gone out to them looking for gunmen in my yard. They are called by my neighbors. I live with my husband who work, and I am a businesswoman. And police come in my house and beat up my daughter, mash up cell phone, mash up my table in my house, all kind of stuff done to me. And so I am appealing for help from you, that somebody needs to look into the Maypen police, because they are corrupted and them tech side and them bias, all of the word them I can't remember now. Them have to stop it. So I only can say, when police take we and arrest we, the young woman over here, so cause she asleep with the police, I say, see when me P-U-S-S-Y, that word. See my sitting have power, part in her private part when we get locked up. These people confiscate, me even know they make up story and go to the station when I am in my nightgown in my bed asleep. Police are calling me gate say, me a disturb neighbor peace. In my sleep, sick woman take all my pill and go on my bed overnight. Somebody need to hear this. Somebody need to hear this. Me tired. Recently there was a fight where the same woman attacked my child. I sent her to shop in Maypen and she go and attack my daughter. And after she attacked my daughter, my husband come to find out what was done to our daughter. She run him down with scissors and attack him too. So he had to give her a few licks. Yes, she get a few licks, but the man was defending himself. Now all of a sudden, who we go station go see, coincidentally, quite conveniently, not coincident, maybe a coincidence, but me call it convenient. Same police officer we asleep next door. Every time when police come, when we call police, the neighbors look out for the police, stop the police first, full them up a story, so them come over our yard with brute force. This can't work out, this can't work out, this can't work out. No, I am looking for somewhere to move, because I've been threatened. I need this out that I've been threatened by the neighbors. Friday when I run out to go see what was happening to my daughter and to bring her to the station and bring her to the hospital or the doctor where I could get to go with her, men were in my yard trying to tear down my door and tear down my window. How them come to cut out my belly. You understand that? And how them are going to cut out for belly and who them are going to kill, and them never afraid. Them never afraid. My family has been living in fear. Come on now. What happened to these people? These people say them not stop till they get one of we killed. This woman says she not stop spending her money on Maypen police till me and my brother dead. What have we done so much? I see them people them we feed. My father feed the rest of them from where Pitney. And them 1 year come live for 7 years now, and them live here and we are give them things. We've been giving them things, we give them bed, we give them this, we give them that. Me not talk about what me do, but me tell us say I hand where you feed at people them will feed you sometime people bite. Dear and me need this out. Something have to go on. Before you go here say better me the talk before somebody in my yard dead. Can you imagine me say me come out and sweep up my yard, this man and stone a yell across the fence, and there was my 14-year-old child. Stone drop boof right in front of her. Yesterday, 7 of them me count with cutlass one run down my husband to stab him up and chop him up. This can't work out. Me need help.
My people, I only hope that this video reach the right eyes and ears that can take a look into the things that this female said. The things that this lady said, they are no joke to me. They are no joke to me. Now, I am going by the things that this lady said in those pieces of videos and audios that I just presented to you. You see? And the things that she said in those audios and videos that I just presented to you, they are sad, you know, like they are sad. You see me? I only wish the best for each and every one. See, me Dancehall Skilla, I don't like to know that people are fight and argue and all these things. You see me I say? No, me don't like to know that. Now remember, I'm going by the things that she said, you see? However, it's when it comes on to neighbors arguing or neighbors fighting and neighbors having a dispute or so on, I've seen it and I've experienced it before. See? Sometimes it is best to move away to avoid the whole situation and for a better life. You see me? But it's not everyone really and truly can afford to take certain measures for certain things to happen or for a better life. You see me I say? In my point of view, it seems as if this lady really and truly is living in fear. You see? I only hope that everything will turn out okay, you see? I only hope that this whole situation get looked into by the necessary authorities. You see me? Yeah, I only hope that this female get the help that she wants. You see me? For real, you know, because the things that this female said, viewers and subscribers, it's something to really think about. And I think it should be looked into. You see? Alright, so I only hope that she get the help from the necessary authorities. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the things that this female said. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.